Hi everyone, I'm Carson from Guys with Games, and today's game is called Maze Runner. In the game, when you come into the classroom, before you start, you need to draw a 6x6 grid on the board. I use 6x6. I find that's suitable for a medium-sized classroom. It could be bigger or smaller. But you also need to draw this same grid in your lesson plan book, or at least on a piece of paper that only the teacher knows. And you're going to, as the teacher, you're going to draw a maze within this grid like this. Okay, and then we know the path, but the students don't. And so how do you play this game? You need a dice to advance your token through this, but what I normally do is split the class into 2 teams and choose a player from each team to go first. I have my students play paper, scissors, stone, and the loser needs to ask the class a question or do some English task. But the winner gets to go first. And what does the winner do? Rolls the dice. So let's have a student roll a dice, and I'll show you how the game works. Now let's say that it's a 4. So let's pretend that that was the black team. And the black team needs to, you can advance 4 spaces as long as you don't get stuck. And these are the words that they need to be able to say to tell me which direction they're moving. Now in the first time, they don't have a choice. They must go right. So they got 4 there. And I would make them tell me, which way do you want to go? Only have this one way.
Right.
Okay, so in this box, we reveal the part of the maze that they can see. And now, because they rolled 4, so 1, they can choose now, up or down.
Up.
Okay, up looks like this. And you're at 2. You have 2 more. Do you want to go up or right?
Right.
Or down? 3.
Right.
Okay, 4. And then I'll move their marker to this, and then I would give the loser, the red team guy, a chance. He would roll the dice, and he gets a 2. Oh, not so good. And then he would tell me which way he goes. And the first team that can find the path to the exit here is the winner. And it's as simple as that.